Hi dear students, today we are moving to session 2, create presentation. In this session, we are going to learn the steps to create presentation and the presentation window. The parts of the presentation window, that is LibreOffice Impress window components, such as slide pane, then the different layouts, then how we can save the presentation, then run the slideshow like that. Let us see in detail. Session 2, create a presentation. For that, click on the LibreOffice, then it will open this window, and from here we need to select the Impress presentation. Then these are the templates already in the LibreOffice window. If you want to choose any one, we can select from here. Otherwise, click on the cancel. Afterwards, we can select the different templates. And this is the Impress window, main Impress window. And here, this is the slide pane. This is the slide pane. And this is the sidebar. This one is the sidebar. Okay, and this is the workspace, the center. This one is the workspace. And slide pane, here when I hover the mouse here, slide 1 it is given, that is the name of the slide. Then if you right click, here new slide we can add, duplicate slide, that copy of the slide. Rename, we can rename the slide, hide the slide, and the slide different properties also we can set. And this side, the properties window, this is the sidebar. Here properties, this is the properties icon. If I click here, see, from the properties we can choose the slide layout, and this is the slide transition. From here we can choose the different transitions on the slide, and this is the animation. If we click on the animation, then we can make the animation here. And this is the master slides. We can set the master slide with these templates. And this is the styles. We can do some background objects, background images like that easily using these styles. And this is the gallery. If we want to insert any picture from here, that we can do according to that. And this is the navigator. Here only one slide I created. If I create one more slide, see this one. Okay, navigator means what? If you want to move to different slides, it is possible through navigator. So suppose 10 slides are there. If I want to take the 6th slide, so from the navigator we can easily take, and from this slides pane also we can take, and from the navigator also we can take. Then closing the Impress. For this, either we can close here, or from the file menu we can close. Close button is there. See, if you want to work with the templates, from here file, new, templates. Okay, from there also we can see the different templates here. If we scroll down, the different templates we can see. If I choose anything, select and click open. Then the slides will be, each slide will be append with the, or each slide will be covered with the new template. Then if you add new slide, then what happened? New slide, everything with the different templates. Okay, and this will be the master one, and the other one will be the sub slides. That's end of today's class. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.